This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying model and one UI version so instructions match your phone. Next, back up the image you want to keep or note its folder. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, open Settings and go to Wallpaper and Style or directly to Lock Screen Settings. These menus control random rotation. You need to get into the correct screen now, so tap the Lock Screen entry and prepare to disable any automatic rotation or wallpaper providers that cause changes. You now remove the sources that change your wallpaper. First, turn off Samsung Daily or similar wallpaper services inside Wallpaper Settings. These auto-rotate images. Then review installed apps with lock screen or wallpaper permission. Disable or uninstall any that can set wallpapers. Also, check good lock modules and theme packs. Make sure their auto-change switches are off. Once you finish, reboot or force stop the Wallpaper app to ensure the system stops fetching new images immediately. Finally, set your selected image as the lock screen wallpaper and choose the option that applies it permanently. Then, go to App's right arrow Special Access right arrow Change System Settings and revoke permissions for any app you distrust. This prevents future automatic changes. If the problem persists, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is responsible. If it stops in safe mode, uninstall the culprit. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the Wallpaper app cache and data before reapplying your image to remove lingering settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.